What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Danique, and you'll definitely want to subscribe because we get lit over here, period. So y'all see I'm in a green robe, so you know what that means. Just kidding, I don't know if you do, but I got another lingerie haul. Y'all know I love doing these on my channel. It is raining like really bad outside right now, so y'all can hear it. But we're gonna try to get through this video because I really just want to record it right now. So yeah, everything I got is from Torrid. I am a size 3X. If it's a different size, I will tell y'all if I sized up or something, you know, whatever. But everything will be linked down below. And yeah, let's get into the video. Oh, okay, so the first set is a matching set, but purchase it separately. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna do a split screen where I try on the lingerie in like a different portion. Like, I'm gonna try it on the same time I'm like showing y'all, basically. I don't know why, but when I do that, it's like less likely for my videos to be demonetized. So you know, I want YouTube trying to take my money. It's a set, and it is this like black lace set. Anyways, so it is this black lace set. I'm gonna put the try on up now. The top was $49.50 and the bottom was $24.50. I know Torrid is more expensive, but their stuff is so cute, and honestly it's really good quality. So let me show you the top first. It's literally just all black lace. Look at this. Look at this. And then it's like, what is this, like you can like tie it up on the side, like I don't know, it's just lace. It gives me like, I don't know, like really goth vibes, but it's so cute. Look at that. It's like really see-through though, if I remember correctly. I already wore this. Took pictures of this already. By the way, if you want to see more of me in a lingerie, obviously I can't show everything on YouTube, but I always get the people in the comment like, turn around, we want to see it all. But again, like I say every video, this is YouTube, this is not OnlyFans, but I do have OnlyFans if you want to see all of me. So yeah, don't get in the comments with the stupid shit. This is YouTube, obviously, like be smart. Okay, and then this is the bottoms, literally same thing, and it has the little stuff on the side too, and in the front, if you could tell. And it's actually a thong. I did not think it was a thong. I feel like this would be fun to like, never mind. Never mind, let me keep that to myself. But yeah, these are the bottoms. I just love this set. Thought it was so cute. And yeah, you can also go on my Twitter to see pictures of that too. I got more pictures on my Twitter. But yeah, I love that set. This next set is like another bralette and like panty set, and no, it is not black. So this is, I was gonna show up on camera really good because it's like very like bright springy colors, but let me just tell you how much it was. The top was $34.50. I keep thinking I'm seeing stuff and it's just me in the mirror, like the reflection of me. Top was $34.50 and the bottom was $20.50. So actually the set wasn't that bad. It was only like a little over $50 altogether. Let me show you the bralette first. What I like about this bralette is it comes down like crop top, like length almost. Like, okay, here it goes. Let me stay right here. Like it's a pretty long bralette. Like, it doesn't look like it on me because I have larger breasts, so like obviously it's like pulling it up more. It had focused before. Sorry, I'm like messing it up. Okay, look at these colors. So cute. It's like blues, greens, I don't even know. It's just so cute. Like I said, it's like crop top length, again, a little lacy, but this isn't like see-through lace, which is good. You can adjust the straps on this, and yeah, it's just cute. The bottoms is like, what are these considered? Let me see. Okay, so these are considered a cheeky panty, so like, you know, the butt's out a little bit, but that's what these look like. you've seen the color, it's not gonna focus again. It's like a matching set, but you have to purchase it separately, which sucks, but I don't know. Maybe it's good if you need like different sizes and everything, which by the way, the top in that is a 4X because I sized up because I didn't think it was gonna fit, and it fit pretty good in the 4X, so good thing I did. Okay, so this next set is like 3 pieces. Let me just show you piece by piece. So it's a panty, a bralette, and like a garter skirt. The garter skirt was $50, the panty was $25, and the bralette was $35. So it's raining really hard right now. I'm trying to film my video. Okay, y'all, so the bralette doesn't necessarily go with like the skirt and the panty. The skirt and the panty kind of match, which you'll see in a minute. I just got this, like I wanted like a regular black bralette to go with it. They did have one that matched it, but it did not look like it would fit me, like the way it was cut and everything, and I'd be knowing. So I just found like a basic black bralette to get, which I really did end up liking this a lot. It does come with straps on it. I didn't use the straps. I just think it looks like more sexy without the straps, and I feel like the skirt was already doing too much with the straps. It would have just like seemed like a bit much, so I took the straps out. The only thing about this is that it has built-in padding that you cannot take out. Your girl don't need padding. I don't need it. And if you're shopping at Torrid, more than likely a lot of us are already like well endowed. There's like gray shit flying everywhere, you know. So only thing is, I would say that it does not need the padding, or there should be like a, most places it has like a little hole in it where you can like slide the padding out. Torrid, I noticed like a lot of their stuff does not. I don't think I've ever seen anything from Torrid has the option to take like the padding out, which sucks because it kind of like throws it off, because you can see the padding and then like clearly your boob is like bigger than the padding. It makes it look kind of sloppy sometimes, to be honest. That's the only thing I did not like about this, but I will be wearing this a lot probably. I love the way it fit. I'll probably put the straps on it like to wear around the house, but like just to take pictures with, you know, the rest of the set. I did take the straps off. So this is a panty, and the panty is so cute. It stops like midway, like up your, can you tell, like crack basically, and so your crack's like kind of out like in this little diamond place because it's long. But okay, I want to show you how it matches. It has like the same trimming as the garter skirt, so these two like went with each other, and it looks really, you'll see, oh, you can't see, I can't show y'all the back of this on YouTube, but if you go on my Instagram, I have the picture of the back of it, and it looks so cute with this skirt. Go on my Instagram and look at my pictures I took in this. This is probably like the sexiest piece of lingerie. I don't ain't gonna cap. I'm trying to, here we go. Only thing is, I did not get no thighs because I could not find none. Torrid was sold out, and then I'll give y'all a little bit of tea. If y'all was looking for like plus size like tights and stuff, Snag tights, even though they ain't sponsoring this video and I don't know why I'm showing them out, but Snag tights do have like plus size tights and stuff, but they did not have like just regular black ones like I wanted, like that were, I don't know, they didn't have them. Torrid was sold out, so I didn't get none, which I was sad. But this is the skirt. It's so sexy. I feel like it would look so cute with some thigh-high tights, and it's just all see-through. You can see me right through it. Oh wait, that was corny. But like, it's the butt part for me. Like, the butt is all cut out, and with the thong, and it's, go look at my Instagram. Just go look at my Instagram. It's so sexy. You can adjust this part if you need to. I didn't need to adjust it at all. I was fine. Even the back of it you can adjust. I probably could have made it a little tighter so my booty could look bigger, but it's okay. I don't know, this is just super sexy. I'm gonna actually go on their website and see if they have more little garter skirts made like this. But yeah, that's this. You can hook, like you can literally hook thigh highs to it. If you have thigh highs, I feel like that'll be cute. Take a picture, let me see. I want to see what it looks like. I feel like that's so cute. But yeah, that's all I got for this haul. I think I told you how much that stuff was. Yeah, I think total I probably spent like a little less than 200. But Torrid do be able some sales. So that's some bit of sale prices, y'all. But it'd be like 30% off, and I know it's more expensive, but I promise you the quality is great. You're not gonna find that kind of lingerie on Shein. I know I used to be like a Shein girl with the lingerie, but ever since I started shopping at Torrid, it's just not hitting the same. Like Torrid stuff is like quality, you know, sexy, and you know, it's all my grown woman shit. So Shein isn't cutting it for everything now. Yeah, I'm just leaving it at that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course I'll be doing another lingerie haul soon because I'm always buying lingerie. So grab some OnlyFans if you want to see more pictures or more of me in general, and follow me on Instagram if you want to see better pictures of the lingerie. And yeah, that's it for this video. I gotta go. I'll see you guys next video. Peace.